Hello, myself Tanisha Gupta. I basically belongs from Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. I have done a diploma in networking from Evision Technoserve. Evision Technoserve is an IT-based recruitment and development company. Throughout the journey of the diploma, they have provided me the well trainers and also provided the recorded sessions for my betterment of the skills. In that course, they have taught me about networking devices, types of networking, CCIL, cyber security, etc. In that course, they have guided me so well and helped me to build my career very well. Recently, I have joined MICROLAND technology from Gurgaon, and I got the very good package and in that, and I really thankful to Evision for helping me throughout my journey and helping me to give my career best.